Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MU Exams. This is my fourth video on STP, that is sewage treatment plant, which is there on board ship. Till now, in my previous videos, I have covered working principle of sewage treatment plant, sewage effluent test, and the discharge criteria as per MARPOL Annex 4. So friends, before I begin with the video, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And one more important thing uh, I wanted to tell you is that soon I will be joining my next ship, so I won't be able to post videos for next 10 to 20 days. And even after that, if ship is having internet, then only I will be posting videos as I am doing now. So it totally depends on the internet facility on board ship. So friends, let's begin with this video, which is on cleaning and backflushing of STP. So back flushing is actually carried out monthly, so that the dead bacteria or the microorganisms which gets accumulated in the sewage, that can be removed. So uh, for that, one thing has to be always kept in mind, that we should not violate the MARPOL regulation, that is the discharge criteria. So when backflushing sewage treatment plant, please follow this MARPOL Annex 4 regulation. That is, when when we are backflushing this biofilter, first we will backflush biofilter, then we will backflush this carbon activated carbon filter carbon tank. So first see the backflushing biofilter, and this condition, it has to be fulfilled for backflushing for or cleaning this STP. Okay, so for backflushing biofilter or this activated carbon or the whole sewage plant, it has to be operated during vessel normal sailing, that is when ship is sailing and having a speed over 4 knots, and it is sailing at a distance more than 12 nautical miles from nearest land. So this condition has to be fulfilled. So for backflushing biofilter, we have to close the this wall number 11, as you can see over here, and open this wall number 2, and in the manual condition we have to run this discharge pump. So this way we can remove the accumulated dead bacteria or the sludge which is of no use into the sea. So this is how we uh, backflush this biofilter. Similarly, if you want to clean this biofilter reactor tank, then we have to again follow the same thing, but the time interval for that, it will be very long. Now second is the activated carbon tank. So basically this tank. So for cleaning this tank, we have to close this wall number 9, as we can see over here, and wall number 10, and we have to open this wall number 6 and this wall number 4, which is inlet, steam inlet to the this activated carbon tank. So this way the steam will backflush this tank, and it will come out from this line 6, and it will enter this tank. After this cleaning is done, mostly this is carried out for 2 minutes, and after the cleaning is done, we have to close wall 6 and 4, this steam walls, and finally we have to open wall 9 and 10 to put back the system in operation. So thank you friends, that was how we carry out backflushing of sewage treatment plant. That is basically, it's carried out every month when ship is sailing at 4 knots and it is 12 nautical miles from nearest land. And similarly the cleaning is also carried out. Let me show you. All the tank are having walls at the bottom, as you can see over here. All the tanks, settling tank, this bioreactor tank, and the activated carbon tank, all the tanks are having this wall pipe connection at the bottom of the tank. So while opening individual wall and running the discharge pump, we can remove all the microorganisms or dead microorganisms which are present in the tanks. We can discharge them overboard, and we can clean this, see this STP. One more thing is that when we are cleaning it for some maintenance work, in that case we have to thoroughly clean, because there are chances of methane gas present, so we have to clean this tank thoroughly. So for that we have to open the inspection cover, and from there we can put the fire hose or water, and continuously open all the walls, these walls, and run this discharge pump, so that this sewage treatment plant can be cleaned thoroughly. And it really takes time, because I have done during dry dock, so it really takes time. So thank you friends, hope this would be helping you for your operation on board ship. So till then, take care, have fun.